Hey there! Do you want to take your real estate game to the next level? In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a stunning, professional website for your agency, all without writing a single line of code. Using just Google Sheets and SpreadSimple, you will create a feature-rich website that looks amazing and works flawlessly. Whether you're a beginner or just short on time, this is the easiest way to get your real estate website up and running. Ready to see how simple it really is? Let's get started. If you are new to no-code website builders, SpreadSimple is a great place to start. It includes all the essential features for free, and if you need more advanced tools, you can easily upgrade with a monthly or yearly plan. If you are still in doubt whether your business needs an online presence, here is a rock-solid argument. According to the National Association of Realtors, 96% of home buyers use the internet in their home search process. Most of your potential clients are already online, and you must get there in no time, otherwise they will choose your competitors. Now that the importance of online presence is clear, make sure to develop a professional-looking website to help build trust and credibility. Unlike an office, your website will function 24/7, meaning that clients can browse the properties anytime and anywhere, and if any questions occur, they can instantly send you a message. And let's not forget about the meaning of marketing. With SpreadSimple, SEO is not a bottomless expense pit, but a well-integrated feature you can manage without additional help and enjoy the results. Alright, let's kick things off by choosing a template that fits our project. For this tutorial, we are going with the real estate website template. As you can see in the preview, it already looks great, complete with an intro section, about us and FAQ pages, image gallery, map view, user-friendly sorting and filters, Google form, and Calendly add-on to schedule a meeting and a room tour with the real estate agent. Most of the content is pulled straight from a connected Google Sheet, and you will manage everything easily from the Content tab. Go ahead and click Start with this template. If you are not logged in yet, SpreadSimple will prompt you to sign in with your Google account. Once you hit Create, you will be taken straight to the website editor, and this is where your no-code journey truly begins. Let's make your homepage stand out. First, head over to the Design tab on the left. Here, you can upload a great front page image, update the title and subtitle, and add a bit of homepage content. And don't forget to upload your logo in the spot marked for it. Scroll down to the footer section. This is a great place to drop in your contact info or links to your social media. To actually connect your social media accounts, hop over to the Settings tab, click on Social Media, choose the platform you want and paste in your links. Then, just go back to the Design tab, find the footer section again, and switch on Show Social Media Icons. Last step, hit Save to lock it all in. As mentioned earlier, this website was created entirely without coding, just using a Google spreadsheet. All the necessary data is stored there, including ID, title, description, address, coordinates, other important details, and images for each gallery. Make sure to fill out each column carefully. Let's add a new item together to see how it works. Most of the columns are easy and don't need a detailed description, but there are columns you might need additional help with, including coordinates, link, and home tour. Coordinates are essential for the map view feature. It provides a clear and easy to understand visual representation of locations and improves interactivity. Here is how to add coordinates quickly. Open Google Maps and type in the address or name of your location in the search bar. Once the marker pops up on the map, right-click on it and select the coordinates. They will be copied automatically. Now, paste those coordinates into your Google Sheet in the correct column. Link and Home Tour will be used for your action buttons. Usually, action buttons open a shopping cart or an order form. Since no one purchases properties without looking at them at first in the real estate business, we need different types of action buttons for the website, like Contact an Agent and Book a Home Tour. The Contact an Agent button opens the Google form from the link column. When you select the Book a Home Tour option, a calendar add-on developed by Calendly will open to help customers schedule an appointment. To make it work, you need to know how to add a Calendly link to your Google Sheet Home Tour column. Start by logging into your Calendly dashboard. Create a new event or open an existing one and copy the event link. Then, head to your website's Google Sheet and paste that link into a dedicated column. Next, open your SpreadSimple editor, go to the Add-ons tab and select Calendar. Open the Calendly settings, enable the add-on and adjust any options you'd like. Don't forget to hit Save. Now, map the column with your Calendly links to an action button. When users click that button or link, a Calendly pop-up will appear, letting them schedule a meeting without ever leaving your website. Want to make scheduling even easier? You can also add a floating Calendly button to your homepage. Just go back to the Calendly settings, toggle on Enable Floating Button, enter your event link, customize the button color and title, and save. That's it. Now your visitors can schedule a meeting with a single click. To upload images to your items cards, use SpreadSimple Image Uploader. Now, go back to the editor, click Save and customize the website by mapping the columns from the same source Google Sheet to the corresponding fields. Same goes for the details pages. The search bar and sorting options of SpreadSimple can also be customized in the same way, by mapping the corresponding columns to the fields in the editor. The function of these features is to minimize the time your customers spend on finding the best option. Keep it in mind when customizing your website. Let's make your real estate website feel more personal and trustworthy. Start by telling your story on your About Us page. Share how your agency got started, what sets you apart, and any certifications or rewards you have earned. This builds credibility and gives potential clients a reason to choose you. Use the built-in Markdown editor in SpreadSimple to easily add text, photos, links, and even interactive content. Next, let's talk about your domain, your website's online identity. Head over to the Settings tab where you can customize it. SpreadSimple gives you a default domain to start with, but if you really want to build trust and boost your brand, it's a smart move to get your own custom domain name. There are lots of easy-to-use platforms where you can buy one, like GoDaddy, Squarespace, Namecheap, or Bluehost. Building a website has never been this easy. With SpreadSimple's new AI creator feature, all it takes is a simple prompt and boom, your site is ready to go. It's quick, effortless, and a total game changer, especially for business owners who don't have extra time. Want to see how it works? Check out our SpreadSimple AI Builder tutorial and you will be up and running in just a few minutes. By the way, if you are loving how easy it is to build websites with SpreadSimple, why not turn that into a little extra income? Join our affiliate program and earn 30% commission just by recommending SpreadSimple to your friends, followers, or clients. It's a win-win. You help others discover a powerful no-code tool and you get rewarded for it. You'll find the affiliate link below. Check it out. And that's it. That's how you create a website for your real estate agency. No coding required. Just a simple Google spreadsheet and SpreadSimple. If you are looking for more in-depth tips on how to build your website with SpreadSimple, visit our help page and check out other videos on our YouTube channel. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!